This is a scrubby soap for very sensitive skin, made with oats and clay. And that was a very fast project which I made literally between 2 layers of other soap. Let's start. These are my oils, olive oil and a little bit of coconut oil. You can find that recipe in the other video, which I will leave in the description below. I'm adding my essential oil blend to that. I mainly use essential oils from Mystic Moments, but this time I'm adding a little bit of benzoin essential oil from different company. And here I'm adding my olive leaf powder. I use that olive leaf powder also in my creams and conditioners. I like how it feels. It also adds a little scrubbiness and a tiny bit of color, but not much, just, a little bit beige. And here comes my kaolin clay. Kaolin clay adds a really nice softness and slip, and I added a lot to it. I have other soap where I have lots of clay, and I really like how it acts. It's a very soft and very, very gentle exfoliant, as well as adding this slip, and it feels really nice on the skin, especially for the sensitive skin, and white kaolin clay, it's good for that. And these are my oats which I grind myself. It's organic gluten-free oats which I like to use, and they give a very nice exfoliation. It's not you can definitely feel like tiny little grains of oats there, and that's a main exfoliant in this soap, and I like how it acts. It's not very scratchy. It says a scrub, but it's not very, very scratchy. And also oats add a really nice softness and richness to the soap. You can see that there are lots of additives. Additives are a lot more than usual. And here comes my live water. It's a little bit pink because it has Himalayan salt and citric acid in there. If you use the citric acid, you have to adjust for that. And since I didn't have coconut milk, which I wanted to add, so I'm adding the coconut cream powder. I always have it at hand if I run out of my coconut milk, if I want to make another soap. It's very handy to have it. But if I will make the next time this soap, I will definitely make it with coconut milk. And this is my chlorella powder for green streaks in the soap, to add a little bit of visual interest to the soap. I first blended the ingredients into the oils. That helps with is not having lumps in the soap. Otherwise, some things just clump together and make clumps, and that's not very nice in soap. All the blending happens much longer because usually all the soap makers, me including, edit out some of the blending time, otherwise it would be very boring for you just to look how we blend the soaps. And this soap batter is very slow moving, so it takes a long time to blend it. With chlorella, this green one solidified much faster than the white one, so it was already kind of more solid, more heavy. I should have poured from much higher up the green one in, or mixed it through a little bit, because it kind of stayed more on the top in the butter. You see, when I'm pouring now, the green tends to run out first because it's on the top, and it's also much denser, much heavier. So the green one ends here, and the next soaps will all be just in light color, but that's okay because it's just a visual difference. It doesn't change the main quality of the soap, which I wanted to achieve, the scrubbiness, soft and gentle scrubbiness. So, and also I filmed a molding of the soap, but unfortunately that footage I can't use because I wear the white sweater and my camera decided to focus only on my white sleeves and everything else was blurry, and also stamping of the soaps was the same problem. So be aware that if you wear white sweater, everything else can become blurry in the picture. So if you liked the video, if you like the videos like that, and if you would like to meet me again in a soap making world or some other cosmetic making world, subscribe for my channel, leave your like. It will help a lot to make my videos more popular on the YouTube. That's the YouTube algorithm at work. And yeah, see you on the next one. Ciao.